All right, this is our alarm clock design project.
And the challenge given to us by our professor was to come up with a design that helps people with physical challenges have accessibility to a specific activity. These are our top 3 design ideas. We have a light timer, which is meant for those with the hearing impairment. Next to it, we have a magnification ring, which is used for the visually impaired to be able to read small text better. All the way to the right are raised playing cards for the blind. We use a decision matrix to decide between these 3 design ideas.
We used a design matrix to add objectivity in the determination of the final design project. Here you will see each concept design compared against one another across different categories that we believe were important in satisfying the engineering challenge presented to us. We ended up deciding on the light timer.
So our design consists of a 3-unit timer that uses light as an alarm instead of a sound to accommodate people who are hard of hearing or deaf. This was designed originally for cooking, so they could have multiple timers going at once for different dishes, but it could also be used for different activities because we made it portable. We designed it to be color-coded with red, green, and blue so they could differentiate between the timers.
So here's some pros and cons of our design. Some pros: it's easier to alert visually impaired. It's small and portable. Could be used for multiple tasks. Color-coded so you know what is done. So you can have spaghetti as red and ground beef as blue. Some cons: it's not visible if you're out of range. You have to remember what goes with what color.
So we came up with some design improvements. The first one was we added vibration so they could use other senses besides just relying on sight. We also added sound so people who could hear that are in the house would also be able to use the timer and be out of the room and be able to leave it while doing so. We also made the light bulbs interchangeable so they wouldn't have to replace the whole unit if a light went out.
We considered the final design's manufacturability and overall ease of use. The low manufacturing cost of producing a unit would allow us to pass on savings to users. The microcontroller at the heart of this design is relatively inexpensive and adaptable for other uses as well. It's all wrapped up in a dark plastic housing that will offer users with hearing impairments a lightweight, low-profile device for keeping track of multiple timers. On this table, we have included the different sources of total manufacturing costs. We think that this design's simplicity and use of widely available catalog parts will help to keep this design cost at a price at less than $40, which is a common price for modern digital alarm clocks.
All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.